Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Yeah, hello and a very warm welcome to all of you on the official platform of InterApp. My name is Praveen Singh, and today we are going to discuss a little bit more about, this is a very, you could say the hot topic in the market, that where is Jack Ma. It has been speculated that the Jack Ma has been, arrested by the Chinese government after his speech. He was delivering in a summit, and it is said that apparently he was blaming Chinese or criticizing Chinese government, over their operations, right? So let's just talk a little bit more about him, that what was the conflict. But in between, we have got a very important news from the CNBC, and CNBC is claiming that being relaxed or being in an office, he has an, if somebody has not been seen in public for last 2 months, it doesn't mean that he has been house arrested. I'm just going to take the reference from the CNBC tweet. Let's just have a quick look at it. Here we go. It is said that Alibaba founder Jack Ma not missing, just laying low after drawing ear on Chinese leadership report. Here the screens of the tweet has been pasted over here. Just have a quick look at it. After reports are speculating about Alibaba founder Jack Ma's whereabouts, so David Faber, he is a reporter, you could say, on CNBC News, reported on Tuesday that the billionaire is not missing, according to a person familiar with the matter. Instead, Ma has been laying low for the time being. So it is said that the person who is very familiar to Jack Ma, he said that he is he is not missing, or he has not been arrested by the Chinese government. So let me just discuss a bit of more about the incident that happened. Let's just have a quick look at it. Chinese e-commerce billionaire and Alibaba founder Jack Ma is not missing but is laying low, CNBC David Faber reported, right? So if we talk about that who is Jack Ma is the e-commerce billionaire and Alibaba founder, right? We all know about Alibaba.com. Is not missing but is laying low. CNBC David Faber reported that Ma is not missing, adding, what I can tell you is that he is very likely in Hong Kong, where is Alibaba headquarters, right? And is being less visible purposefully, and he has not been seen in public place because he doesn't want to be in public place, right? It is being done purposefully by Jack Ma. This is the report of the CNBC News and reported by David Faber, right? But that doesn't mean that he is missing. Faber further revealed that Ma hasn't been captured, he hasn't been taken, and there's no expectations that the government is going to move on him in some way. It is worth mentioning here that Alibaba US listed stocks jumped 5.5% over the Tuesday session to close at 240.40 apiece, following Faber's remarks, which he attributed to sources close to the Chinese entrepreneur. So what Mr. David Faber said and what he has taken into the reference is that if we talk about that the Chinese government has moved on him and Chinese government has arrested Mr. Jack Ma, so if Chinese government has arrested Mr. Jack Ma, then how the stock market got jumped, right? So this is the particular reference that he has mentioned in his articles, right? Let me just go ahead and talk a little bit more about his one of the company on which Chinese government alleged Chinese government is allegedly saying that the company is not the company is not functioning properly, and that particular company is Ant, which is called the most you could say most famous for the payment options in China, right? So here all the things have been mentioned. You guys should read this particular article to understand about the Ant. Let me go ahead and talk about more about. You guys should read this article. I have just mentioned this particular lines or particular articles for the reference to understand the incident that has happened in China, right? Let me talk a little bit more about Jack Ma. Jack Ma was born in 10 September 1964. He belongs to a very middle class family. Initially he was a teacher, right? And then after he worked very hard and built a company that is known as Alibaba.com. And if I talk about current situation of Alibaba.com, then more than you could say 6 lakh orders are placed in a second on that particular website. So you could understand that how broadly is known that Alibaba.com, right? Let me just talk a bit more about him. a Chinese business magnate, investor and philanthropist. He is the co-founder and former executive chairman of Alibaba Group. So people say that he is a co-founder of Alibaba Group and former chairman of that particular company. A multinational technology conglomerate, Ma is a strong proponent of an open and market driven economy. Ma is a global ambassador for Chinese business, was listed in 2019 as one of the world's most powerful people, right, with Forbes ranking him 21st on its world's most powerful people list. So if we talk about the Forbes magazine, then Forbes magazine listed him in 2019 the 21st out of 50, 21st out of 50 most powerful person in the world. He also serves as a role model for startup business. He has been role model for many of the entrepreneurs generally who starts his own business. In 2017, Ma was ranked second in the annual world's 50 greatest leader list by Forbes. In September 2018, he announced that he would retire from Alibaba and pursue educational work, philanthropy and environmental causes. So in 2018, he announced that he is going to retire from Alibaba Group, and now he is pursue educational work, philanthropy and environmental causes. The following year, Daniel Zhang succeeded him as executive chairman. After that particular year, there is a person named Daniel Zhang succeeded him as executive chairman of Alibaba Group. So this is all about this particular session. We haven't got any you could say the transparent news that where he is. Still the people has been speculating about him, but the no speculations has been eroded so far, right. So finally we are going to finish it off. See you soon into the next session with a different video. Thank you so much guys for joining me live. Thanks a lot.